Hey everybody, how you doing? AmpRepairGuy.com. Here's my website and my phone number. Alright, so we have the second half of the Ameritron Al-82. Got rid of those ridiculous plate caps. Customer had to buy 2 new tubes. Replace the soft start relay and the fuse holders. I've got rid of those circuit breakers and put in the proper fuse holders. I have a temporary jumper in place, Teflon wire, just to fire it up. Don't try this at home. Dangerous. I also changed the filter caps. One of them was showing a higher value. It had 333 written on the side, and sure enough, the value was actually higher. Customer said go ahead and replace them, so replaced them with 8 brand new caps from Mauser. Here we go. Fires up. I already checked it for output. All's good. Got rid of that nut. The crazy nut that was there. This one has the series glitch resistor. Ameritron started adding those. They started to add those after a certain date. It's good to have. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. If you need any help or have any questions, feel free to call or drop me an email. Have a good day.